Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 for securing AI agent endpoints. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Auth0 for securing AI agent endpoints, begin by creating an Auth0 account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Application button. Choose a name for your application and select the type that best suits your needs, such as regular web application. After creating the application, now head to the API section in the dashboard. Click on Create API to establish a new API. Provide a name and an identifier for your API, ensuring it's unique. Set the signing algorithm to RS-256 for enhanced security. Once the API is created, make sure to note the identifier for your API. Proceed to the Applications tab and select the application you previously created. In the settings, scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs section. Add your application's callback URL, which is where Auth0 will redirect users after authentication. Next, add the allowed logout URLs to manage where users will be sent post-logout. In the Allowed Web Origins section, include the URLs where your application will run. Now, set up a test user for your application in the User Management section. Click on Users and then Create User. Fill in the necessary details and create the user. Keep the user information handy for testing purposes. Now, it's time to implement Auth0 in your application. Install the Auth0 SDK by running the appropriate package manager command. In your application's code, import the required packages from the Auth0 SDK. Initialize the Auth0 client with your domain and client ID. Set up your authentication flow by creating login and logout functions. For login, redirect users to the Auth0 login page with the necessary parameters. Handle the callback to receive the authentication token by creating a callback URL handler. Decode the received token to extract user information and validate it. Store the token securely, possibly in local storage or a secure cookie. Implement token validation on your AI agent endpoints. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.